Many people who are on diet start using honey instead of sugar, thinking that it's healthier than sugar and has lower calories, as it comes from natural source. But I'm very sorry to tell you that's not true. Honey is exactly like sugar, as it consists of sucrose, which is a combination of fructose and glucose that is responsible for the sweet taste. In addition, honey contains some monosaccharides fructose alone, so it is more sweeter than sugar. Yes, it contains some minerals, but they are in very small amount, and you can take these minerals from other vegetables. In addition, the density of honey is higher than sugar, so one spoon of honey gives you larger amount of sugar and calories larger than one spoon of white sugar. So when you start moving on diet, take honey in very limited amount, and it must be calculated according to your daily calories intake. And don't forget, you have always to think and understand. And if you want to ask about anything about nutrition, just direct message me. I will be always available for you. Dr. Marin for Nutrition Awareness. Goodbye.